Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your Meta Quest 2 with your PS4 in 2026. So to begin with, the Meta Quest 2 is not directly compatible with the PlayStation 5 because Sony uses its own PlayStation VR system for VR support. So first, you can't actually connect the Meta Quest 2 to a PS4 using the HDMI cable or USB or Bluetooth for VR gameplay. The PS4 does not recognize the Quest headsets as supported VR devices. However, you can still view your PS4 gameplay inside the headset using a workaround. In it, you just have to install the PS Remote Play application on your PC or compatible device. After that, you need to connect your MetaQuest 2 to a PC using a web browser or streaming application. You can use built-in web browser features or the applications like virtual desktop environments in order to access your PC screen inside the VR. Now you need to open your PS Remote Play on your PC and connect it to your PS4. This is going to stream your PS4 screen to your computer. Finally, inside the Quest 2, you need to view your PC screen where remote play is running, and this is going to allow you to play PS4 games on a virtual screen inside VR, even though it is not true VR gameplay. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.